Now, jurors are getting their first taste of a trial for an ex-con accused of arson in Oceanside during the May firestorm. Alberto Serrato is in business clothes and seems calm in court. 10 News reporter Hannah Mullins outside Vista Court with the defense's claim that police had it out for him.
Both sides are up there breaking things down for the jury, and the prosecutor is accusing him of making a dangerous time worse. The defense seems to be pointing to a rivalry between members of his family and the Oceanside Police Department. Now, on May 14th, several fires devoured parts of the county. It's the one in an Oceanside riverbed that torched about 100 acres that landed Alberto Serrato in the hot seat. Our camera was in court for an earlier hearing, but the judge wouldn't allow it today, saying he didn't want jurors to think he started them. Oceanside police say as they pulled up, the fire was dying down, and they saw Serrato throwing brush on it, adding fuel to the fire.
Mr. Serrato was seen grabbing handfuls of dry brush, putting that dry brush onto some smoldering embers.
The prosecutor just said he made a dangerous act during a dangerous time, but he's not charged with starting a fire. The defense attorney said it was dirt, not brush, and said the claim was, quote, just ridiculous. She said his family lives next to the fire, so he was trying to put it out. She said the turmoil between his family and Oceanside police is so bad, one relative even has the F word, then OPD, tattooed on his head, and added they were overzealous in their arrest.
He was over there and he was throwing dirt on the fire to try to get it out, but as he's known in the past for his name, and he's targeted for the name, then they went for that and they got him for whatever they could, saying that was brush, but it wasn't, and he's not going to get past this because of his name.
The normal sentence for arson is 6 years, but because it was during a state of emergency and he's an ex-con, if convicted, he could get 13 years in prison. In Vista, Hannah Mullins, 10 News.